Guys, when the European countries and US, they were passing through Great Depression, they could not recover from that state. Then the Second World War broke. So what is Great Depression? Just now I told you depression means not psychological depression. It was the economic depression in the field of agriculture, in the field of production, in the field of economy. So it had hit agriculture a lot. There were food grains, ample of food grains. Those were rotten in the granary. Huge production of grains in the European countries and US. But buyers were not there because of the high cost. If cost is high and there are ample of suppliers, so what is the use? If suppliers are there, so cost should be nominal. Then they had to reduce the price, and the price was reduced so much that the countries, they had to suffer. And secondly, at the time, many countries financed their investment through the loans they got from USA. American capitalists stopped all loans. During First World War, I told you, America started giving loans to the needy countries, those who were in need of money, because First World War broke, for maintenance of the army, to purchase the arms and ammunitions. So America that time started giving loans, lended money. But when the First World War, it ended with the Treaty of Versailles. Some countries, they refunded money, not fully, half. Many of the countries did not refund the money. So as consequence, America had to face an intense economic crisis. Many small scale industries, those industries shut down. Many people migrated to other countries, and as consequence, the crime emerged in American society, joblessness, unemployment. So America, it was going through that phase, and this is called the Depression or Great Depression. And simultaneously, Britain also had to face, because British, it expanded its colony in Africa, South Africa, and they were supplying the indentured laborers from Africa to America and other Asian countries or their colonies. And those indentured laborers, that means the black laborers, black Africans, they had to work in very low wage, and in a state they used to live their life in a misery, despair. Many were trying to escape, and when they were caught, they were brutally killed and tortured. Many of them were killed and many of them were tortured. This was the scenario of the time during the Great Depression. So after that, the Second World War broke between the Axis and the Allied Party. The Axis was Germany. You have noted down who were the Axis party. Germany, then Japan. Did you write? Yes. Hitler, that means Nazi Germany, Japan and Italy, they were the Axis party. And the Allied group was Britain, France, Soviet Russia, you will write Soviet Russia, and America. So these two powerful parties, they fought the Second World War. 60 million people died in this war. And then the Bretton Woods conference it settled up till now, today up to here, your um, lesson, today's lesson up to here. So on the basis of today's lecture, guys, you note down. I'm going to give you only 3 questions. Why indentured laborers were required during 19th to 20th century? Why indentured laborers were required during 19th to 20th century? Question number 2. What is the term known as Great Depression? What is the term known as Great Depression? Great capital G, depression capital D. Question 3. What was the scenario of India during the Great Depression? I already discussed, I already taught you right now. What was the scenario of India during Great Depression? So guys, this much for the day. On the basis of today's teaching, today's lecture, you solve these 3 questions and I'm sure that you will be able to solve it. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. God bless you. Bye-bye.